So guys, we are going somewhere out. You guys will come to know. Hello, Garu. Hey.
Hello.
Ani Maria.
Maria.
Maria बसव ना.
Hello, Manda.
Hello.
Yeah. So guys, what I'm doing is like we're going out. Angela hova na. Moita idea me. Anta kan sari kokuni no lela chobo jopana tekla samata. त्याक खबर ना आमी कितें करता खंय त्या भयणील ती खंय गेल्या दाखल्या कित्या म्हाका मातशें काम आहा थिंगा लंडना काम आहा आनी येस फॉर दॅट रिजन लायक आय एम गोईंग वन डे बिफोर जस्ट बिकॉज आय हॅव सम वर्क टू डू एंड एक पाट काम जालें म्हणटूच मागीर येतलो हेका खबर ना भुरग्यांकू आनी लापिटा पळय म्हगेले हॅलो हाय फ्रेंड्स करू आनी हेचे हेचे
Hello friends.
यू लायक टू दिस या सो आमी कितें केलां मातशें तिके हिंगा स्विंडना बरें समोसा क्रॉकेट बी मेळता लोकांक खबर आसता एक सारकें ते भाशेन मेळटा म्हणून सो ती ऑर्डर केलो हांवें सो आम जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट दॅट एंड देन आम गोइंग टू हेड टुवर्ड्स टू गो टू आवर डेस्टिनी ऑलराइट गाइस आई विल मीट यू ऑन द वे
Bye.
म्याव कितें म्याव 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 तेका म्याव बर Hey Angel, what is your t-shirt saying?
It says Amor Club. Amor means love. If you say amor, you say that in Spanish.
How is it?
Amor means love. So I
but,
said love club. Love anyway.
Love you, dear. So we've just come here to buy those those samosas and croquettes that we ordered. Nadia gelo ha dinga adpako. आणि काल ऑर्डर दिली काल yesterday some I took for work also some work colleagues I had ordered before and yesterday we had placed the order so we just going to pick up. It's going to be ready now in 5 minutes and झाले इंसान बाजार पाहता नद्या मी बॉल गयता येतले आता आणि हाडल्या आहे ते बसून हिंगा ए आणि तो लापीट किती काय आणि इल्लो पळय
Trees बरे दिसताय रे.
Yeah, now it's autumn, no? That's why it looks very nice.
Orange.
Yeah, in the winter, if you get the same time, if you go by in the winter time, we will show you like ये आखी झाड़ा जोड़न won't be leaves left on this one.
Get this cat here. Hello. पावले आम्ही आता जॉयसागे. There's another one here. Hello. Hello. How is? You got surprise? Surprise?
Yeah, because I wanted to show you.
Hello. Die bak is die. Elo mga baut ke mogat ya.
Hello, say hello. Huggy. I lost the shit.
निधन आता उठला दिल्लो अक्के दिल्लो गाडी
Hello.
चहा झोपायचं.
हा वय ते चहा झाला अशी बॉल आपल्याला घराकडे
Murgot.
कोण
किती आले बायगू?
So here Angel and Laishu started doing some homework now. I don't know.
It's about.
This is Keisha. This is Ansley. And that's Keisha. Keisha. Ansley, give huggy. Huggy give for Ansley. Ale, my baby. Kishu, give Kishu.
जयसी 4 होतो एली पै
आयर दोन तू इथे तुला झालं ती सवली
मकला कोण मकला कोण कित्याक ते क्लीन कोण कोतलो आता हांव येयलो पण म्हगे भयणी कितें कितें केलें तें तुमकां दाखयता हांव कितें कितें रांदलां पळय तें हेचे बिर्याणी चिकन बिर्याणी होय मुगो
Yes.
मागीर हे कितें
Wow.
आडमास प्रॉपर आडमास
secrets in my head.
केले
दुकरा आडमास मुगो
होय
आणि हे दुकरा मासाचे सोलातले चड बरें
Ciao.
Ciao. क्रॉकेट समोसा वय आणि स्पेशल ग्रेव्ही वय रोस्ट मास
Luis, yeah, festa is.
भाव येयला म्हणून भयणीन चोय कितले उमेदीन म्हाका सजोवन दवरला चडान चड काड
आणि हांव स्विडनला आयला काय
भाजी
स्विडनला काय मेवना
तुम्ही सांगा ना हातीक तेन्ना कितें हांवें तितले पयस काय मेवता ती म्हणला बरें पूण म्हाका सोगले अशें म्हणटा न्ही आमगे गोंयचे कितें म्हणटा रे आमगे गोंयचे स्विडन काय कितें वयता स्विडन काय ती इतली पयस गांवांत ते कितें आहा
आता हांवूय येतोले आणि हांवूय म्हणटोले काय मेवना बाबा
Inga wrong, but it's really nice. Yeah, my sister. Whenever anyone comes to their place, she always cooks a lot. ऐसे नहीं कि आवेल म्हणून चोड केले ना न्ही लोक 2 आयटम एक्स्ट्रा असतात आवेल 4 असतात सो शी डज इट फॉर मी स्पेशल बट तेक सांगता सदां
So you know,
इतली करपाक गरज ना
a
म्हणून
piece of fish.
तो मुगे कुद्या जाते हातो
Financer.
हे रांगत लोकांना सगळे
Okay.
चितकडी केला काम काबार But anyway, that's her big heart that she always been like that. She always likes cooking and making food for when people come to her place. But
Where's your
in return, तितले मेवल्यार बरें दिसता मागीर न्ही गो
तुझी दिपा जाय
तुका तेजे म्हणटा सारकें म्हणलें तुका रिटर्न बरें म्हणून होय म्हणलें आनी पूण हांव कितें हांव फ्रेंडान येता सारकें टायमार सगळ्यांक म्हणलें ती इतली पयस ती काय ना ती कितें करतली म्हणून सो आनी येयल्यार कितें तेंच म्हणटा मागीर हांव ही काय म्हण तिका सगळें पेंवता बाबा सो गायज वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू विजीट माय माशान नाव माशाना विजीट करून येता ते म्हणटा आमगे थिंग येना खरें पावपा पावना तेंगे थिंगा सो तेका लागून बरें दिसना एवरी टायम थिंग येता आनी तेंगे थिंग वचना पळय तो सो आम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक अ विजीट एंड देन वी हॅव टू गो टू नादियाज कजन्स प्लेस आफ्टर दॅट सो वील मेक अ शॉर्ट ट्रीप ओली ओवर देर सो ते कितें म्हणटा मगे बाबा बाबा करतलो पळय म्हाका न्ही धाकटे आमगेले
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. माझे बांगडे
तुका हांव यो म्हणटा कितें येवं नगो तूं
होय रे
जशें थिंगा
पण हांव न्हांवपा वयता मातरीच्या हांगा बदकूंक येयलो तो लेट
तो कितल्या पावता
आतां पावपा वचता तो ब्रेड हाडूंक गेला तो
अच्छा हे मायन धाडून दिला मायन काजू बी धाडले चंय हा मायन काजू बी आनी कितें धाडलो मायनू मायन गोंयसान धाडलें चंय आपणा नातवा धाडले पळय काजू बी धाडले पळय
Mama. Mama.
हेचंय हे किशा हे किशा धाकटे सगळे मग मिडियम एंजला मग त्याचे व्हडले नादिया आणि सगळे व्हडले म्हाका आणि हेजे बारा 2000 आहे ते मायन बेसां 2000 दिलो मग म्हाका वय बेसां बेसांक धाडलो मायन म्हाका 2000 मायन सांगला बाय थँक्यू माय कर बाबा
Thank you, my.
बाय 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 बाय
Thank
बाय
you, my.
Mine.
थँक्यू
Thank you.
माय ब्लेसिंग आहे मायचे
Blessing, blessing, blessing.
ने निग पापा चल पापा पळय सी वॉट रंजीस कम विथ डिलिव्हरी बॉय What about?
Pizza, bro. Sheesh.
Pizza.
Check this out.
Nice pizza there.
QL.
I was just saying, Nadia, meat fiesta.
Which one is this?
This one is meaty and
Meat
one
fiesta,
is
that
yeah, and one is
I think I like
tikka.
that one.
And what is that?
And these are curly fries for the kiddos, isn't it?
I'm also a kiddo.
Ah, well, actually, this is what's for you.
Thank you.
Huh? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Actually, this is what for you especially.
Thank you.
Head of the family, amigalo. Rishi uncle.
Oh, thank you.
Atayla Kamasa. We've gone Nadia's cousin's place.
Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Fly also is gone.
Shoes is
Hello!
He's Nashville, Natasha's son, elder son, Angel, and see this one.
Hello, say.
Hello.
Hi, Baba. Tell me what's your name?
Name Baba.
Your name is Baba?
Yeah.
Baba, your name is? And who's Nashville? Who's Nashville? Guys, if you all know, he's Tasha's son, Tasha Bellman's cousin of Angel and all. I think head type is really barbar. It's a head ID.
No, give Nashville or
Rory.
Natural. But give
hug.
Kisha hug. Huggy give.
Kisha, hug. Oh.
Hey, put it. Get up.
Nice.
Party is on. Joyce Gale, Maria Ge John.
Pasta rhyme dalungo. Party is on. Maria John.
आणि असे भयणीगे आडमास खाता भयण
On this is pickle. Very yummy, delicious.
गोंयची भाषा आडमा सारखे
Sanin kela.
होय गोंयची भाषा सारखे गोंयची भाषा आडमा सारखे
You like it?
ते बिकऱ्या जेवण खाता पे त्यांनी खाता
What do you mean? I'm bikra join to ka?
ते बिकऱ्या जेवण खाता
Hi, enjoy. This is Joyce.
No, it's not
Yeah?
me.
They got tight केला. So, whenever the लागता, cash असता. Huh? You all have never seen this side of Keshli. See.
लिमका
That is not Limca. That is not Limca.
आणि किती आहे का
See, this one. She is the culprit. Tolan adun edila. O sant, o burgu sant. To fokot biryani hain garwaita.
साथ में
Hey, I do ना. Plate. Gala mo ko? Ani घेऊन गेला.
See this both. Brother, sister. कितकोता आहे ते आण तुगे या मोठा carpet.
Oh my god.
That's yours.
Ansley. What Kisha doing re?
It's here.
Huh?
It's here.
Kisha, she, kaka.
Keep down.
Kisha give huggy. Ansley give huggy.
Huggy give Laishu Ansley.
No. Okay.
Huggy.
Huggy give.
Huggy give.
It's here.
No. Kisha give huggy.
Kisha give huggy.
Yes.
Give huggy le. Give le. Huh? And the only kiss the padam with the
So guys, it's a sleeping time आता निदोंस पाजो. But before going to sleep, I want to show you something. And so in म्हाका आमगे भुरग्यापणा वांगडा आशिल्लो आमी ल्हान आसतना शिकूंक केन्ना आमी हॉलिडे वयताली कितें वयताली आमी केश कोन्न न्हिदता पळय ती आनी आयज आमगे भुरगीं तें शिकून न्हिदताय किशा लायशी एन्सली एंजल सगळीं झोपली न्हिदले आनी तेजे फुडें मामाय न्हिदली तिका आं सो ती सगळीं दोगोताय पळय Good night.
Good night.
Say good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good morning, friends. आता आम्ही बायसो आले. Where to go re?
Yeah, we are going somewhere. As I said, like, I have some work. So I'm just going to do that. काम म्हणलें तें मातशें some of the paperwork that I have to do. So I've just come for that reason. I'm going to go to see someone. सकाळी जालें आतां 8:30 पळय and we are just going. Beautiful, nice day to start. बरें दिसता सकाळी फुडें उठलें रोखडें काम जाता हें बरें दिसता. So
मामा एंजल किशा थिंगा आहाय जॉयसिगे आहाय सो म्हणल्यार आमी मातशें आमगे काम करतलीं
राती बरी बसली बरी
Yeah.
you know when I take a drink or something I can't drink a lot and if I drink like म्हाका दिसता yesterday I had like 2 shots something म्हाका तें मागीर एक पण लागलें मागीर येता म्हाका हाय जाता म्हाका हांसो येता मागीर I don't know I feel like
he
laughing
was crazy.
I just keep on laughing for no reason.
And if you would have seen me, like I did not take any drink and all, but if आएंगे like एक what do you say that wine पासून गेलो, my God, I'm gone.
So guys, I've already reached here to the place. I think सांगलोलें हांव येता एक पाटें म्हाका काम आहा म्हणून. So the काम म्हणल्यार I've come mamage visa cover Nadia Geli. Like the law is changing in UK. So from December onwards, people who are on dependent, they will be having those BRP or BRC cards, whatever. Despite of having so much of information online and everything, I could not be getting it because I come to a reliable person. Why do I say it's a reliable person? Because he was the one to get mama dependent on me because she's my mother-in-law. Being Nadia in an Indian passport, he made a strong paperwork for her to get. So guys, anytime if you'll need a strong, this is my opinion, a very strong recommendation if you want, come and see INACIO. And you want to know who INACIO is? He is INACIO. Bob INACIO, thank you तुका. तुवें आमचे पासून जायतें काम केलें तुवें. तुका लागून स्पेशल स्विंडनसान येता हिंगा जाण तूं. स्वता एशे कोन्न मोग आसून तूं सगळ्यांक बेसां आसून तुजेर. Yeah. He's a guy, so he's INACIO. He does his paperwork. तो कामां वचपा आतां. तरी ताणें म्हाका सकाळी फुडें येवन म्हाका काम करपा लायला. So thank you INACIO.
Thank you.
So you're entering to the quality foods here. And long time Indian groceries. See the stores? What are these? Wax apples.
Apples.
Yeah, wax apple, man. They're not like. See what here? Everything is ready. Everything you get. See for the onions. So we've come here just to buy a few things, not much. We get most of the things, only things what we require, that only we'll buy and we're head off. Putting my moti diet, especially vegetables, we might buy and then we'll just show you. So guys, if you'll come, we have come to buy over here because of Mama. Mama had told me the roast so you get a big packets over here. You get it over there as well. But anyway, the small biscuits for kids, not this is nice, no?
Hello guys, welcome to Quality Foods. Happy Diwali. Take care.
Thank you so much. This is one of the love that you see in South Hall.
Yes.
Always been knowing for South Hall. Thank you so much
Any
for coming.
color, any creed, everyone's welcome.
Yeah, this is what South Hall is about. Thank you, buddy.
No problem.
Yeah,
Take care.
We
take
come
care.
all the way from Swindon.
Oh, from Swindon.
Yeah, we traveled far away from. We used to live down here, but now we come to see family and friends.
Yeah.
We always come over here.
That's good. We stay for trusting for 5-10 minutes. We have DJ coming soon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, DJ's coming, so you might enjoy.
Let's see. We will see that then. Take care. Thank you. See, my Mashan comes with Bush's nighty.
बाहेर मागतलं
हा बाहेर मागतले किती बाहेर मागतले तो त्या नाईट काय नेला बोमईची नाईटी आता माशाल म्हणजे बरं नुसते होणार नाईटी. So guys, now we are leaving to go back Yeah, time to say bye to the family and Maggie when we come back again. So yeah, सगळे किती कोताय ते पळय. Bye bye. किशा बाय कर. माका बाय बाय.
हागी किशू
किती नो बाय
Bye Nan.
चोर जायला लागलं. बरं.
Laisho. Come yo. Say bye bye to each other. Wait. What kind of bye is that? Huh? Bye.
चल बरं बोलू ना. बाय नंतर
जॉय तुमगे ते एक सांग माहिती बरं हाय त्यांना सांग बरे पण थँक्यू म्हणून चल घरी मग बरे यो मग या बेबी या बिगी
तू बरे करून हॉल पटो फोन कर किती
किती खबर आहे अरे रॉड आहे
थोडा किती
भाजी विचार सांग तुम्ही रॉट आहे का सारखी
ओय रॉटे चल मागी
कॉल
बरं खबर कर खबर कर तुला
तू कोत्ता खबर आम बरी मगाची खबर उलयताय